If your kid's screen time looks like a marathon, you're not alone. Let's talk about keeping them safe in the digital jungle. Navigating the digital world can be tricky when it comes to protecting our kids. But don't worry, we've got your back. First up, keep the conversation open. Talk to your kids about what they're doing online. Trust is key here. Next, use parental controls. These nifty tools help you filter inappropriate content and limit screen time. It's like having a virtual babysitter. Privacy is crucial too. Teach your kids to keep personal info like addresses and phone numbers private. No one needs to know your home address. And let's not forget online behavior. Discuss cyberbullying and the dangers of talking to strangers. Equip your kids with the knowledge to navigate safely. Finally, stay informed. The digital world changes fast, so keep up with the latest trends and threats. Remember, a combo of open dialogue, smart tools, and ongoing vigilance can make the internet a safer place for our kids. Thanks for watching and stay safe.